Hello YouTube family. Happy Monday. Today is Monday, January 20th. It's Martin Luther King Day and the inauguration, y'all. So, my son and his family finally left. They've been gone for hours now, but they finally left. So I came downstairs to get started because I told y'all it's some things I want to get done in my basement. I want to some things that I want to, just DIY and just get my decor and stuff like that together. And before I get some furniture, I've been on a hunt for some furniture. And so I think I know what I want. At least I know what color I want. I'll say that. It's between two colors that I'm looking at. So once I get all of this stuff, because whatever I buy to hang up, it got to go with the furniture got to go with it. Because I don't want to change none of my decor. I think I told y'all that before. I don't want to change this stuff right here. This came from the at-home store. I think y'all already know that. This came from the nope. This came from the at-home store. This came from Hobby Lobby. That microphone came from Hobby Lobby, but I DIY'd that a couple of years ago, or 2 or 3 years. It was black and gray, and I added the colors to it to blend in with this, and also to blend in with the canvas that I painted. So I did this canvas probably about 3 years ago, 3.5 years, 4 years, something like that. My signature somewhere on here. But anyways, and when I did it, it could be hung up horizontal or vertical. So anyways, y'all, I told y'all that I was going to get started on this dresser. I sanded a little bit. I didn't ever go buy the Bondex to fix the drawers. I'm not worried about it. I sanded what I sanded, and I'm just going to paint it and get through with it. Like if I decided this is what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and keep it permanently once I get furniture. Then I may go in and, make the changes on the drawers or whatever. But I'm going to show y'all. I took out my battery finna die. I took the drawers out already, and I sanded those where the handles was at. So I'm just going to buy some knobs to go on them. I'm going to Habitat. Tomorrow we're supposed to have that Arctic Blast. So I don't know if I'm going tomorrow. It might be the next day. But like I said, my battery finna die. I didn't know it. There's so much dust under here too, and I need to get that up from in there, my vacuum in between there. But this is what it's looking like with everything out of it. And so I started over here, and I'm using some paint I already had. I don't care for this black right here. This is the black right here. It is exterior paint, but I'm using what I got because I had a lot of it left. And so anyways, I used this to paint my garage some years ago, a few years ago, whenever I did that, the garage door. But I did not like that black, and I paid a lot for that paint from Walmart. So what I did was I put some black onyx on top of it. So I got a little bit of black onyx left. I hope it's enough to put the last coat once I put a couple of coats on here. So hopefully I have enough, because I have not been able to find black onyx. I'm just going to have to go to Home Depot somewhere and see if I can get them to mix it up for me. But anyways, I just wanted to share that real quick with y'all. I'm going to put the first coat on the other side. Just trying to get into the trim and all of that stuff. And then I'll put another, I'm going to leave and pick my granddaughter up. And then I'll come back and put another coat on and let that dry. And then I'm going to put another coat on. And when that dry, I'm gonna put the onyx on there. Hopefully it's enough left in the can for it. So, all right, y'all. Okay, so this is how far I done got so with everything. So I'm gonna put another coat on. Still gotta get the TV off of there in order to do the top. But I'm getting ready to put a second coat on. Thought I was gonna have to put more coats of the one color, but I think I could just go over it with the onyx and be done. I still can't get that top drawer. Can't get this top drawer out. So I've been trying to pry it out, because I'm gonna take that drawer over there to get its some plywood cuts the size of the drawer. I was only able to take one of these out, one of the little bars where you slide the drawer out, because they got the screws down. The other ones was on the side, these was down. So I gotta get a small screwdriver to try to screw that out of there. And it's the same thing over here. So I was trying to ease my way in here. I did ease in here and take the screw out on this side. But I can't get to the back to take it out. And then of course I can't get to this side because it's down. And I cannot even pull this out. So I'll work on it. It gotta come out of there. So stay tuned. Okay, so I came on really quick to show y'all how far I had got, and I didn't turn the camera back on. I had to let my granddaughter out, and so I'm gonna turn the camera around and share with y'all how far I got. So I did put the second coat on the drawers, and I put a second coat on the dresser. Now the other one side, the side over there on the end, I hadn't even put a first coat on there when I came down this morning. I'm like, oh my goodness. So yeah, I'm gonna go back over it again, and like I said, once they take the TV off the top, then I'm gonna do the top. So I gotta get a small screwdriver, small enough that I can reach my hand in, like a little short screwdriver, because I don't know what made them put these bars down, the screws down, and the other ones on the side on that way. This drawer was the hardest thing. I had to break it to get it out. See that? I had to literally break, like punch it out, like, you know what I mean, to hit it and then be able to break that plywood. And so I finally got it out, and now I just have to get this bracket out and get that other bracket out over there, and then I'm going to paint like the back part in here and here and the side, on both sides of the top, because this is where the plywood is going to lay flat. And then I told y'all that I'm going to paint this gold. I'm going to hand paint that gold with my other paint, the acrylic paint. I can't even think, y'all. Be getting a brain freeze. But anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna just let this dry. I'm gonna go out and get me something to eat. Go up there and get something to eat, and then hopefully I can put another coat on before I leave, or either I'll do it when I come back, put another coat. And I'm going over to I need to get this drawer, because hopefully I'll be able to make it to Home Depot while I'm out. Now, they used to cut wood and stuff like that, you know, when I would go to the store. They used to cut the as long as their saw is not broken, they usually will cut wood for me, you know, for people when you go in and ask. So I just wanted to take this drawer because I want them to measure the wood from the drawer, the bottom of the drawer, corner to corner, even with the bracket, the little piece of bracket that's on it, because I wanted to just fit right on in, you know. And then because I'm DIYing it, it ain't gonna be the best, but hey, it's saving me some money. So I want to go to Habitat and go and look and see what kind of handles they have, like knobs and stuff like that. And if I could find enough, like I need 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I need 12 knobs, and as long as they match, of course, like I can bring. And I like them. I bring them home and wash them and then spray paint them gold. And then but I was hoping that I could find some long handles. If I could find some long handles, then that will even be better, to go from, you know, and it'll just be one big handle, just to give it a whole different look. But I do have some knobs and handles, but it's not enough for what I'm doing, not for this project. So I'll save that for another one. And what else was I gonna say? I looked on Amazon. They sell the ones that stick, you know, self-adhesive. So if I wanted to buy some gold handles and the self-adhesive kind, I can buy those and stick on. But I don't know how long it will last, you know, the on top of the paint. So, but anyways, yeah, that's what I'm getting ready to do. So far, I'm liking what I see, you know. I did sand just a little bit. Not a lot. I sanded around the broken parts of the drawer like this. It's rounded and the rest of it is square. But I did that on a couple of the drawers that's messed up. And then on the bottom where it was all scraped up, I just sanded that part just so it try to make it be a little bit smoother once I painted it. And then I didn't want it to have that roughness when I painted the drawers and stuff like that either. So yeah, did that part. And like I say, when I come back, I'll put another coat on unless I do it before I leave. And then once it dries, I'm gonna take my my cordless vac and get all of that dust that's up under there up. And yeah, just get ready to paint the top and be, you know. But I do before I paint the top, I want to have the I don't think the drawers are gonna need another coat, but what I wanted to put another coat on is the ends of the end caps of the dresser. And then once that all dries, I want to put the drawers in later. I want to put the handles on. I want the drawers to dry totally so that I can put the handles on if I find some today, and then put the drawers totally in. And then all I will have left to do is just the top. Get the TV off and then do the top. But right now, it's like I'd rather for the TV to just sit right on this tarp versus, you know, they don't have to take it over that way. You could just sit here. And just easier. But I do want to get all of that dust and stuff out of there. I want to get those brackets out of there, of course, so I can finish painting inside of there. And I will be done with that. Okay? I'll be done. I was thinking about moving my TV back on the dresser on this side. I'm going to stop calling it a dresser. I'm going to call it an entertainment center. A TV stand. But anyways, I was thinking about putting it back over there because I have more space on this paneled wall. Y'all know I painted that a few years ago. And so, yeah, I was thinking about moving it on this side. So I might do that once this furniture leaves out. You know, once they put this furniture out, I may put this one, the TV over there. As soon as I find, and then I want to do something different with my window. Them curtain, the rod is just looking crazy right now because I ain't gave it no TLC. But yeah, I go in there and I vacuum out the ladybugs and stuff out of the windowsill, because the windowsill is just like the one in my beauty room. I can actually use it as, you know, shelving, you know. But I have a curtain across there like that because of the utility box sitting right next to the window. And I was going to put a horizontal blind, just a white blind, just to give it a different look, you know. And I can't do it because I said, you know, the blind is going to be destroyed because of the utility boxes right there. And so if I need to get in there, so I'm just going to I don't know, put another curtain up or do something with these curtains. I don't want that rod up there no more at all. I definitely know that. So yeah, I just want to make some changes with that. Get some new canvases and some mirrors. Just, you know, just make it a nice living space again like it used to be. And yeah, I don't want to use the pictures and stuff that I have in there. I want something else with color to match, like I say, with what I already have going on. Obviously the furniture is red, and I brought blue in because I painted my fireplace blue, but my son, he took that when he moved. I actually gave him everything. I gave him this table, the furniture, the fireplace. I told him he could take the microwave and the ice maker. I told him he could take it all. But, you know, they have furniture and stuff already. And he ended up taking the smaller table that was down here instead because their dining area is not big enough for this set. But with, you know, when they move somewhere else, it's still here, you know, if they want it. And then, so the furniture, I said don't take the furniture because the frame of the furniture is good, but the furniture was starting to like dry rot and start peeling. Over the years, I started painting it to keep it the same color as the rest of the furniture. But after a while, it was just like, I'm done with this. It's time, because now it's starting to peel pretty bad. So I was gonna have them throw this out last week, but we ended up having a snowstorm. So I was like, okay, well, until I find some, I'll just keep it down here because they still have somewhere to lounge at, watching TV, or if they stay over here, if somebody have to sleep on the couch, until I get something else. So yeah, so I just once I get everything together, I will definitely find me something. I'll find something that I like, and yeah, I will share that with you. So update on my computer, y'all. So when my computer is still moving slow. Finally got one of my videos uploaded last night. It was really late last night, and so I'm gonna upload that today to YouTube. And so finally, when I say it took, that video I have been trying to upload that video for about 2 weeks, okay? And now we're into a whole another week. But anyways, I did a hard reset on my computer to take it back to the factory settings. Now, it did ask me if I wanted to save anything. I said no, but when it asked me if I wanted to save the Windows 11, and I said yes. So during the process of it all, turn it on and off, turn it on and off, or whatever, I don't know, Windows 11 got erased off of there. So that's why my computer is moving so slow. That's what I'm assuming. So I'm going to, I think I'm going to order me another laptop. And then I'm going to, because the one that I'm going to get, I think I'm going to get an Apple Air. And then I think I'm not going to get a brand new one. I think I'm going to get a refurbished one, or an older one that's a new and older. And then I'm going to have this guy that's a family friend, that he has his own computer business, and I'll see if he'll download the Windows in both of them for me, so I can still have that as a backup. So that's my plan, y'all. I didn't want to bring my new year in like this. I'm telling you, I'm like God trying to tell me something, because I'm telling you, the way everything was happening in sequence, I'm like, he want me to sit still, like, just fall back a little bit, fall back for now on YouTube and some other things. So that's what I took from it all. But I still will pick the camera up and record a little bit here and there, just like I'm sharing the dresser with y'all. Yeah. So anyways, y'all, I'll talk to y'all. I'll talk to y'all later. I got to get out and run to the grocery store and just run to the bank, run a couple errands, and then I'm back in, because y'all know today is Tuesday, January the 21st, and yeah, this is the day we had that Arctic blast. So, and I think it was happening all over, not just Michigan. I think it was happening in other states too. So y'all be safe out there, stay warm, and yeah, I'm gonna get out and go and do what I have to do. I'm gonna bundle up and come back and get to it, right? All right.